welcome to Backstage Pass. My name is Kim and this is Rachel. And we're up here in the fitness area of the Fitness and Aquatic Center. And we just wanted to bring to you, you can take a peek over our shoulder or come on in sometime and check out all the new flooring and the new updates on the equipment. And equipment's moving around constantly, so come on in and check that out. But in the meantime, we have lots of wonderful things happening. It is full on holiday season at the theater.
Yes, December's so much fun.
It is.
But we just wrapped up the art show, which was great. It was a huge success. So thank you everybody who came out to support local art. But this week we have our first Christmas concert.
Okay.
This Thursday, the 2nd, we have a big band Christmas with the FM Kicks Band of Fargo Moorhead. They're a jazz big band, and they are bringing this really cool big band holiday Christmas concert.
Awesome.
And that will be this Thursday at 7:30. Tickets are only $15 for adults.
Oh, perfect, yeah.
Yeah, can't beat that. So we're looking forward to that. We also, the following week on Tuesday, December 7th, we do have a Christmas art class.
Okay.
So you can come. It's at 6:30, and it is you'll paint with acrylics. It is a Christmas truck, I'm calling it.
Cool, yeah.
It looks like a little truck driving through the snow with a Christmas tree in the back.
Yeah, and you can see that if you go to the website or to Facebook. I think I saw that. It looks super cool.
Yes, but please pre-register because there's a limit of people on that class. That is a 14 and up class, but we do have some younger kids coming with parents to paint, so that's okay too.
Yeah, good.
And then our next big Christmas show is the Steels.
Ooh.
And they are a family of 5 of them. There's all brothers and sisters, and they are a gospel soul group out of Minneapolis.
Ooh.
And they are kind of a Twin Cities holiday tradition, but they are heading up north and bringing it here to Detroit Lakes, and they are bringing their a Christmas celebration with the Steels show.
Very cool.
So if you're looking for that nice warm holiday show with the songs you know and love, that's your show.
Awesome.
So get signed up for that. The Lakes Area Community Concert Band will also be having their annual Christmas concert at First Lutheran Church, not at the Homes, at First Lutheran Church. That'll be Sunday, December 12th, and that's at 4 p.m.
Okay, great. Awesome, lots of things.
Lots of things, and there's more.
There's more. Always look at the website and check for tickets. I mean, there's lots of things. Pick your seats. You can pick your seats there on the website. If you don't want to buy on the website, you're not sure, you can call the office and you can do the tickets together. So it's really lots of options. You can also come in. So lots of wonderful.
And of course, we have Rock and Roll Christmas coming, but it's sold out.
Yeah, I know. I was going to say, it's like, the fact that she's not saying anything means it's sold out.
Yeah, you got to get that one early.
Yeah, that's awesome. But there's lots of other great options. If you missed on that one, there's lots of other great options. And again, as always, at this time of year when you're starting to think about the holidays, gift certificates and tickets make great Christmas gifts. So if you're looking at anything like that, there's lots of great shows coming up in the new year too, so you can look at all that online. We even have really fancy brochures that you can tuck in the stocking or the tickets. So just so you know, Rachel's got you covered. So so lots of great things happening there as far as gift certificates or gift cards. We have them here too on the fitness and aquatic side. We encourage you to check those out. We have day passes they can be used for. We have some really great swag, logo wear gear and stuff like that. So those make great gifts as well. Also the gift of membership. You can do that if you already have somebody who's a member. A personal training package is something that makes a nice gift. So just putting those little teasers out for you. And then like I mentioned, we have obviously lots of fun things happening here on the fitness and aquatic side. I know the theater is going to be doing some things starting in January. So just look for lots of fun activities as far as construction and newness and freshening up, because we have been open 20 years. It's coming up in the middle of December is kind of our official 20-year anniversary of the fitness and aquatic side. The first show in the theater was in May of 2002. So we have lots of fun things that we're doing. So for the fitness and aquatic side, starting this week, December 1st through December 20th, we have 20 days celebrating 20 years of fun. And so lots of drawings will be happening. You have to either sign up or you can there'll be some automatic entries if you come in and check in. We'll be having some yogurt bars and some food bars. We have a free fitness class day. We have a bring a buddy to work out with you. So that Tuesday is going to be totally free for any day passes. If you have somebody who's looking at coming in, we encourage you to bring them along with you and check out all the great things that we have to offer here. So fitness classes are getting into December. Just check as we get into the holidays what those are looking like. And then also we'll have expanded pool hours again once we get into the Christmas break. So lots of great things happening this month of December, and we hope to see you soon here at the DLCCC, either at the fitness side or at a show. For all that information and more, go to our website at www.dlccc.org and check things out. So thanks so much for joining us on Backstage Pass, and we'll see you again next week.